Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. In this time, I will show you how to design a caster. More precisely, it is a fixed caster, like this. And without wasting time, let's start it. First part, we will make a cast roll. Go to top plane, active rectangle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make this line length is 97mm. And make this line length is 45mm. Go to sheet metal feature, active base flange, make sheet thickness 2.5mm. OK. After that, active edge flange, click this edge, point down the edge, make frag length in 100mm. Click this edge and click OK. Go to feature, active hole wizard, choose this type, make hole size is 8.5mm, slot length is 10mm. Go to position, click this face, make 4 slot hole. Active center line, click from this point to this point, this point to this point. Make all slot holes symmetric. Active smart dimension, click this point and this point, make distance 25mm. Click this point and this point, make distance 74mm. OK. See? Next step, active hole wizard again. Choose this hole type. Choose hole size is 10.5mm. Go to position, click this face, make 1 hole, active center line, click from this point to this point, make the center line vertical, active smart dimension, click this edge and this point, make distance 80mm. OK. Next, go to this face, active center line, click from this point to this point, active line, click from this point to this point, point down the line, and click this point, active smart dimension, click this point and this center line, make distance 35mm. Make this line length is 80mm. Active mirror entities, click this sketch, make the center line for mirror about. OK. Go to feature, active extrude cut, choose through all. Okay. See? Active fillet. Make fillet parameter is 10 mm. Click all this edge. Okay. See? Casserole is ready. Now go to edit material. Choose cast stainless steel. Click apply. Close. See? Next part, we make a roller. Go to right plane. Active center line. Click from this point to this point. This point to this point. Active line. Click from this point to this point. Point down the line like this. Point left the line. Next, active smart dimension. Click this line and this center line. Make distance 98 mm. Click this point and this center line. Make distance 70 mm. Click this point and this center line. Make distance 50 mm. Click this line and this center line. Make distance 32 mm. Click the center line and click this line. Make distance 40 mm. Let's mirror this sketch. Block this sketch. Make the center line for mirror about. Okay. Go to feature, active revolve boss. Click the center for axis parameter. Okay. See? Active hole wizard. Choose double holes. Choose 10 mm for double holes parameter. Go to position. Click this face. Click this point. Click OK. See? Active fillet. Make fillet parameter is 5 mm. Click all edge. OK. Now go to material. Go to plastic. Choose nylon material. Click apply. Close. See? Now go to approach. Choose blue color. Okay. See? Roller is ready. Now let's assemble the caster. First, insert casserole. Make casserole float. Make casserole for base caster assembly. Now insert component. Insert roller. Make roller to casserole. See? Now insert ball and nut. Make ball and nut to casserole. See, caster is ready. I think it's the end of tutorial. I hope you like and can learn Solidworks use my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.